Hello and welcome. My name is Deanne Leone and I'm one of the math faculty members at Edmonds College. This video is to let you know about the different math course options available. It is important to choose the right pathway for your intended degree and field of study. First, if you are new to Edmonds College and do not yet know which math class to take, your first step is to contact the Testing and Assessment Services Department to find out which math class you are prepared for. There is a math placement exam, or there are other ways to be placed, such as using your high school transcripts, using college transcripts, or some test scores such as the SAT or AP exams. Contact them for more information. If you do have placement, then you may have a decision about which math class to take. And a first note here is you are always strongly advised to meet with an advisor before registering for your first math course to ensure you're going down the right track. If you are not sure what you want to study, start by consulting the Areas of Study page on the Edmonds College website. The URL is given at this site. If you are planning to complete a certificate or non-transferable to your degree, you should consult your department advisors or the planning sheet to determine which math courses you need. The requirements vary widely. If you plan to transfer to a four-year university, you will need to complete any prerequisite courses required to reach and complete at least one college-level math class. Which college-level course you need to complete depends on your intended field of study. Our math sequences are arranged, in general, into three different areas. We will go over those different tracks. First, though, if you placed into a pre-college level class with a number less than 100, that means that you need to take between 1 and 4 quarters of pre-college math to build your skills to work towards that college level math class. And one note here is that once you have completed math 87 or math 81, 82, 83, 84, that you can progress to the math 93, 94, or to a limited number of the college level tracks. So be sure to consult your advisor or a math teacher for more information about that. Once you've reached the college level classes, there are these different tracks, and it is important that you choose the math class on the right math pathway. The next slides will break down the different options. First, for those intending to study science, technology, engineering, and math, as we call STEM, students typically need to take the pre-calculus, the Math 141 and 142, after completing Math 93, 94, and then proceed on to the calculus sequence. However, not all of the calculus and higher 200 level classes are required for all STEM degrees, so be sure to consult your faculty advisor as you progress to make sure you're taking the correct courses. For those who intend to study business degrees, students typically take Math 140, 148, and 146 if you're intending to transfer to a Washington State University. However, if you plan to transfer out of Washington State, be aware that many of those universities require the traditional STEM track calculus, the Math 151 and above, instead of the Math 148. So again, it's important to check the websites for your transfer institution as well as meet with an advisor. One last note is that you can take Math 146 at any time once you place into the college level, so you can take these three classes in no specific order, meaning 146 can be before 140 or 148. Then for the rest of students who plan to major in a liberal arts degree, most majors require either Math 107 or Math 146. However, it really depends on your individual transfer university and your program, so be sure to consult your transfer university as well as an advisor to make sure that you take the correct class. We hope that this video helped get you on the right pathway for your math classes. Remember, you could at any point meet with an advisor. Also, you can consult the Math Department webpage or email the Math Department co-chairs at the following email. Hope this has been helpful.